When it comes to email marketing for small businesses, two of the most popular platforms are Mailchimp and AWeber. But the real question is, which one is better for your business? Both have their strengths and weaknesses, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is right for you, plus, I'll share an even better alternative. Stay tuned. First up, let's talk about ease of use. Mailchimp has a user-friendly interface, and its drag-and-drop editor is great for beginners. But it does come with a learning curve, especially when you start digging into the more advanced features. AWeber, on the other hand, is also relatively easy to use, but it's more streamlined, with simpler automation and campaign-building features. If you want something quick and efficient, AWeber might be the better option here. Next thing to consider is pricing. Mailchimp offers a free plan, which is a great perk for small businesses just getting started. However, once you grow and need more advanced features, Mailchimp's pricing can quickly become expensive. AWeber, while also offering a free plan, tends to have more consistent pricing, even as you scale. It's a bit more transparent about its pricing model, making it easier to know exactly what you're paying for. The third thing to look at is automation features. Mailchimp offers pretty robust automation, including the ability to set up custom workflows based on user behavior. But sometimes the learning curve can make this more complicated than it needs to be. AWeber's automation is also solid, but it's generally seen as more straightforward and effective for businesses that want a set-it-and-forget-it solution. Now, the templates and design options. Mailchimp shines here with its massive library of email templates. Whether you're designing for mobile or desktop, Mailchimp gives you a lot of flexibility and creative control. AWeber doesn't quite offer as many templates, but what it lacks in quantity, it makes up for in quality. The templates it does have are professional looking and work well for businesses in a variety of industries. The fifth thing to think about is customer support. Both platforms offer support, but AWeber tends to have a slight edge here. Their support team is known for being responsive and offering more personalized help, while Mailchimp support is often considered hit or miss. If you need reliable, high-quality customer service, AWeber might be a more reassuring choice. Next, let's talk about integrations. Mailchimp definitely has more integrations available, with a wide variety of third-party apps that you can connect your email marketing to. However, while AWeber doesn't have as many integrations, it does cover the essential ones, making it easier to streamline your processes with tools like WordPress, Shopify, and PayPal. At this point, you might be thinking, so which one should I choose? Well, both Mailchimp and AWeber are great tools for small businesses, but after trying both myself, I'd say they're both missing something crucial: simplicity. If you're looking for something that combines the best features of both, without the complexity, I recommend trying a better alternative that I've personally tested and found works wonders. These platforms are solid, but if your goal is to make email marketing seamless, efficient, and easy to scale, then you need to check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on a smarter solution for your email marketing needs.